role out here is as an instructor. I'm going through right now today ARM, which is Advanced Rifle Marksmanship. I'm going through a stress shoot.
4 doesn't count.
Something new to them because they've never done a stress shoot before, from what they've told us. So it's definitely something new. I'm glad to be out here offering the training and helping these guys out, as well as strengthening our partnership with them.
It's nice to see things go boom. This is AGS-17 is our Mark 19 equivalent, which is a automatic grenade launcher. In this instance, we have them mounted on their vehicles. Oh, I love seeing stuff blow up. So we kicked off with the RPG today, and like it was pretty awesome. I don't know, I'm just really excited about what these guys are doing. They're fighting for their country, which I think all soldiers usually identify with.